The world of online business can be thrilling, offering boundless opportunities to reach new customers and markets. Yet, as many entrepreneurs quickly discover, managing an online store can be an overwhelming task. From tracking inventory to handling payments and shipping products, the logistics alone can turn your dream of running an online business into a daunting ordeal. One common challenge is inventory management. You've sourced your products, set up your website, and now you're ready to sell. But as orders start to come in, you realize that keeping track of what's in stock, what's sold out, and what needs to be reordered is a full-time job in itself. And if you've got a wide range of products, the complexity multiplies. Then there's the issue of payment processing. In today's digital age, customers expect a smooth, secure, and convenient payment experience. They want to pay with their preferred method, whether that's credit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. But coordinating these many payment options can be a logistical headache, not to mention the need to ensure top-notch security to protect your customers' data. And let's not forget shipping. Getting your products from point A to point B is no simple feat. It involves coordinating with courier services, tracking shipments, handling returns and exchanges, and ensuring that products reach customers in a timely manner. The list goes on. Each of these tasks, while crucial to running a successful online business, can drain your time and energy, leaving less room for what really matters: creating and selling your products, connecting with your customers, and growing your business. But what if there was a simple solution to these problems? A platform that could handle all these tasks and more, freeing you to focus on what you do best: selling your products. Enter Shopify. From humble beginnings to global success, many businesses have unlocked their potential using Shopify. Let's dive into some of these success stories. The first is Gymshark, a fitness apparel and accessories brand based in the United Kingdom. Starting as a screen printing operation in a garage, Gymshark faced numerous challenges, including inventory management and fulfillment. Shopify swept in to save the day. With its easy-to-use interface, Gymshark was able to manage their inventory more effectively and provide a seamless shopping experience for their customers. Today, Gymshark is a global brand, shipping products to over 130 countries around the world. Another success story is that of MVMT Watches. Two college dropouts, Jake Kassan and Kramer LaPlante, launched this brand with a simple mission: to offer high-quality minimalist watches at affordable prices. However, they faced a considerable challenge in reaching their target market. Shopify's built-in SEO features and integration with social media platforms allowed MVMT to reach a wider audience, driving traffic and boosting sales. The brand was eventually sold for $100 million, proving that with the right tools, anyone can transform a simple idea into a successful business. Now let's fly over to Australia and meet the founders of Hi Smile. Nick Merkovich and Alex Tomic started their teeth-whitening brand with just $20 to their name. They chose Shopify for its scalability and flexibility. The duo utilized Shopify's robust marketing tools to build a strong social media presence and capitalize on influencer marketing. As a result, Hi Smile became a global sensation, selling to over 1 million customers in just 2 years. Moving on, we have Allbirds, a shoe company with a focus on creating environmentally friendly footwear. In the beginning, Allbirds struggled to effectively communicate their unique selling proposition to consumers. Shopify's customizable store design allowed Allbirds to tell their story in a compelling way, leading to increased brand recognition and sales. Today, Allbirds is valued at over $1 billion. Lastly, we have Fashion Nova, an American-based fast fashion retail company. Fashion Nova faced the challenge of keeping up with the fast-paced nature of the fashion industry and meeting customer demands for trendy items. Shopify's streamlined product upload and quick inventory turnover features enabled Fashion Nova to stay ahead of the trends, making it one of the most searched fashion brands on Google. These success stories show us that with the right tools and platform, every online business has the potential to thrive. Each of these businesses, despite their diverse industries and unique challenges, found a solution in Shopify. They utilized its features to overcome obstacles, expand their reach, and achieve phenomenal growth. From managing inventory, optimizing SEO, leveraging social media, customizing store design, to streamlining product upload, Shopify proved to be a game changer. It's clear that no matter where you are or what you sell, Shopify can power your business to reach new heights. These success stories show us that with the right tools and platform, every online business has the potential to thrive. So how did these businesses unlock their potential? The answer is simple: Shopify. This platform is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for any entrepreneur who dreams of establishing an online empire. Let's delve into some of the features that make Shopify a powerhouse for online businesses. Firstly, Shopify's user-friendly interface is a breath of fresh air. Whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur or a complete novice, Shopify doesn't discriminate. Its intuitive design and easy-to-follow setup guide make it a breeze to launch your online store. You can have your store up and running in no time, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters: your products and your customers. But what's an online store without insights into your customers' behavior? Shopify's robust analytics tools are a treasure trove of valuable information. You can track sales trends, customer behavior, and even the success of your marketing campaigns, all from your dashboard. This means you can make data-driven decisions that could potentially skyrocket your sales. Now let's talk about customization. Shopify's vast array of apps and themes allow you to tailor your store to reflect your brand's personality. With over 2,000 apps and countless themes at your disposal, the possibilities are virtually endless. Want to add a live chat feature or maybe a loyalty rewards program? Shopify has got you covered. Lastly, Shopify understands that a seamless shopping experience is key to customer satisfaction. Hence, it offers a multitude of payment and shipping options. With Shopify, your customers can pay using their preferred method and get their orders delivered right to their doorstep with minimal fuss. In a nutshell, Shopify is not just a platform, it's a comprehensive solution for anyone who wants to venture into the world of e-commerce. It's not just about setting up an online store, it's about creating an experience for your customers, an experience they'll want to come back to. With Shopify, the power to manage and grow your online store is literally at your fingertips. The future of online business is bright, and Shopify is leading the way. As we journey into the future, we find ourselves in an era where innovation is paramount, and Shopify is at the forefront of this revolution. Picture this: a platform that doesn't just keep up with the trends, but sets them. Shopify is constantly evolving, pushing boundaries, and innovating to ensure that it's not just meeting, but exceeding the needs of its users. From developing user-friendly interfaces to integrating advanced analytics, Shopify is all about making life easier for online entrepreneurs. Now let's talk about upcoming features and updates that are set to transform the way you manage your online store. Imagine having access to real-time inventory updates, automated customer service bots, and even more streamlined checkouts. These are just a few of the exciting developments that Shopify has in the pipeline. And it's not just about adding new features, it's about refining existing ones to make them even more efficient. But what about the future trends in e-commerce? What does the future hold for online businesses? Well, we're looking at a world where personalized shopping experiences reign supreme, where artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in customer service, and where mobile shopping continues its meteoric rise. In this fast-paced, dynamic landscape, Shopify is perfectly positioned to help businesses navigate and take full advantage of these trends. Shopify is committed to helping businesses thrive in this digital age. It's about providing the tools, the features, and the support businesses need to not just survive, but thrive in an increasingly competitive market. It's about empowering entrepreneurs, giving them the freedom to focus on what they do best, while Shopify takes care of the rest. As we look towards the future, one thing remains clear: the world of online business is set to evolve in ways we can't even begin to imagine. But with Shopify at your side, you can confidently step into the future, ready to seize every opportunity that comes your way. As the future unfolds, one thing is certain: Shopify is here to help you unlock your online business potential. Unlocking your online business potential doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember, we've explored the common hurdles in online business and how many companies have not just survived, but thrived by using Shopify. This platform's power lies in its user-friendly features, its scalability, and its ability to integrate with various applications to streamline your operations. We've seen how Shopify can be your ally, helping you manage your online store with ease. It offers a plethora of options from inventory management to customer engagement tools. And let's not forget, the future of online business with Shopify is bright. As technology evolves, so does Shopify, constantly adapting to provide you with the best resources for your online venture. Now it's your turn to take the leap. With Shopify, you're not just investing in a platform, you're investing in the future of your business. So, are you ready to unlock your online business potential with Shopify? The future is waiting for you.